In this video, more roundhouse behind the scenes. And Boertje is back. And there is a new mystery at camp. Hopefully, we find out who knocked over Dylan's chair in the Schemer compilation of our trail cam surveillance. Enjoy.
Hey fella.
Smooth Gefixt houden.
Take care about nature. This time, Boertje brought his wife. As seen in our livestream tour, the land on which we build our roundhouse is private and only accessible by crossing the river or entering through the entrance gate. We're happy for people to come by and just have a look as long as they behave. In general, with the relatively many people coming by, there haven't been any serious concerns as of now, and most of them we actually know as locals. At least we have a wild cam now for home and security.
Yeah, thanks to Power Extra Company. Are we doing like a a Schemer compilation?
Yes, the Schemer compilation coming soon, folks. Subscribe for Schemers. Pow!
Yeah, it's gonna be a separate video because there's so many. That's funny.
Exactly.
Julius told you guys what he's doing on Monday.
In this plant and flower-rich habitat, with a mix of native woodland, extensively managed meadows and hedgerows, there are many insects and nature thrives. Mother Wren apparently chose our bushcraft shed to be the best nesting environment. Not one, not two, 3 then. 4, no 5 young fellas! The nest was built by Mr. Wren. He doesn't just build one nest, but multiple. Then the female picks out the best nest. But what's with all those scary noises around our nest? And some giants messing around here. Stone rumbling all day long. Yeah, we'll have to mind our guests now. And limit messing around near our tool shed. But by the looks of these fat young ones, things are going well for the Wren family. Hey dudes, stop pushing! Ah! Then it's time for the Schemer compilation. Let's start off with the innocent ones.
This is 2 lads that have a YouTube thing. I had to move things so they know I was here. Down here.
And then there were those typical Irish days in the forest, soaking wet.
Okay, Iowa. Have a wave, man. Wave to the camera, make sure you're there.
Ah no, I will glue a bit on it. As the Connemara man says, measure once and cut twice.
You take the scales off.
No?
Nice, man. Scale soup.
Hey, you haven't told me that.
Yeah. I was gonna tell you not to chew, before you swallow.
Yeah, but you still have the bones in your stew.
I know, you have to pick out the bone.
Yeah, so
Or
that
like get a chunk and peel off the meat,
Yeah.
No, this will work. This will work.
Back to the Schemers. Having a low door, this being flushed like that.
I don't want to look.
Let's check this one. Oops, it broke. Oh well.
Oh well, we'll have Andrew shops for dinner.
Is it drunk people climbing on it proof yet?
Yeah, there's no one. Yeah, you can be the first if you want.
Het is wel gaande. Some friends were over to help with the roundhouse build. But first, the rookies like to learn some bushcraft skills.
Get a little more out of there.
Yeah, I was planning.
It's a bit ooga booga, but
And with that, it didn't take long for an axe handle to break.
just fixed our.
It's a bit messy, folks. But the beauty of bushcraft and natural materials is that you can fix stuff in the forest.
Here.
How's it going?
Fine, I guess. Yeah, it's clamping up. Folks! We're clamping up, folks! Yeah.
Clamping up, mate! Smooth. I think you're almost there.
Yeah.
A few
Oh,
more,
no,
if you
seriously.
can. Huh? Yeah, but it really can mushroom out a bit.
No! It broke.
Did it?
It did.
Oh, but that's just a wedge. That's no problem,
Okay.
I suppose. Smooth hour.
Folks!
First ever carving job of this rookie. I think you may be proud of yourself.
I hope so.
Maybe you should try it out on first splitting job.
A random scheme.
Yeah, but that's not for splitting plywood.
Okay.
What is he doing here? You'll find out in a minute.
Hey.
Dual-handed, mate. Dual-hand.
Much more wieldy.
Don't glue fit. Oh! Oh, yeah, I haven't seen that one before.
Oh,
Check. Both.
Folks!
And now this is a lot harder now. It's a lot smaller.
Be careful, mate.
Oh,
Ta-da!
Fragmentje van Jeroen.
Ja, jongens. Ik zie het net al bij die Unie. Ik denk dat het vriest.
Zo hoog mogelijk, want er valt tussen. Exactly.
Boze wijfie.
Iets meer excitement nu.
we can sell it for 29 seconds.
Mijn naam is Dylan.
Mijn naam is Dylan, ik heb een capuchonnetje met een hoedje op.
Dylan went to camp in his new Jeep to test it out. Well, I tell you, mate, that Jeep of yours is definitely not Smooth Gefixt eco-friendly approved. And what about that knocked over chair then? The suspect based on corresponding time frames. This time it doesn't seem to be Boertje himself. A loose calf. Perhaps he is from Boertje. But then... Boertje. He probably needed a lock to patch up his fencing, but others have been nice and caring.
Hands off.
I see it there, yeah. Leave it there, leave it there. Come on, I seen that.
Whoa.
I seen that.
Awesome. I think they forgot about the knife. Where are they coming back?
There was no.
You folks suggested to put up a sign. Thanks for the input, and we're thinking about it.
Ja, dan gaan we nu over naar de sharpening setup.
In het Nederlands.
Ja, voor ons Egmond van Ede en co.
No, Egmond van Ede, he only wants to see bows.
A bow battle. Please, please, please. Myself and Julius should do a rematch. So Julius, you're challenged. Yeah, it's soon. Coming up.
That is not fair, Dylan.
This poor guy.
Check out part 1 of Behind the Scenes, what you haven't seen yet. Also the live stream Q&A at the Roundhouse for all your questions.
Is my bread burning? Yes, my bread is burning.
Consider watching the whole Roundhouse series. Subscribe and tune in for a new Roundhouse episode. Thanks a lot for watching and your great support. See you on the next one.